Hello, welcome back. I'm John, an old YouTuber. It's early Christmas evening, so I have to stop do this. Soon I would like to continue, but it's Christmas evening, so Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'm uploading the 300 series Shinkansen or 200. No, that's the 200 series. I'm going to read the 300 series and the 500s. Then I have to stop for today. I have to cook my hot Christmas evening food. That's this pork meat, potatoes I made yesterday, and brown gravy, and something called rødkål. That's something red stuff like this. And I got some sweet milk. Now my nose is dripping. And I did buy on the train simulator computer game, the Train Simulator Classic. It's Christmas, so they have a big sale with a big discount. So I just buy 5 more rail lines. I did buy 2 Japanese. I did buy a Shinkansen rail line, €20, called Tosuku or something, I cannot remember. Then I did buy another Japanese rail line, so I got 2 Japanese. It's actually downloading, I can record later. But now I did move all these boxes. I did move these big paper boxes there. All these paper boxes from the corner. Now I have this electric plug. So now I can put the charger to my camcorder. But something weird is happening when I do it. It tries to connect on the Wi-Fi, something weird stuff. When I turn up, and now I have the charger inside the camcorder again. So let's continue. I could try, but this computer is 5 years old. I cannot really play computer game anymore on this computer. Now it's 4 p.m. Let's read. I like trains. I like railroads and railways. I like Japan. I like the Shinkansen train, so I like to read this. I do this because I like to read about it.
300 series Shinkansen. 300 series JR Central Shinkansen 300.jpg. 300 series train on the Tokaido Shinkansen in January 2008 in service 1 March 1992 16 March 2012 Manufacturer Hitachi, Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Kinki Sharyo Nippon Sharyo replaced 100 series constructed 1990-1998 scrapped 2007-2012 number built 1,104 vehicles, 69 sets, number in service and a number preserved 2 vehicles number scrapped 1,102 vehicles formation 16 cars per train set fleet numbers J1 J61. F1 F9 capacity 1,323, 200 green plus 1,123 standard, operator, S, Junior Central, 1992, 2012. Junior West, 1993, 2012. Depot, S, Tokyo, Hakata Line, S, served Tokaido Shinkansen. Sanyo Shinkansen specifications car body construction aluminium car length 25 m, 82 feet 0 in, intermediate cars, 26.05 m, 85 feet 6 in, end cars, width 3,380 mm, 11 feet 1 in. The 300 series, 300, Sanbakuke, was a Japanese high-speed Shinkansen train type, with a top operational speed of 270 km per hour, 170 miles per hour, which operated on the Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen lines in Japan between 1992 and 2012. When first introduced, they were used on the fastest Nozomi services, being capable of 270 km per hour, 170 miles per hour. As Moro delivered 66 trains by 1998, they replaced earlier units on Hikari service and allowed the thus displaced 100 series units to finally in turn displace 0 series units on almost all services. With the introduction of newer 700 series and N700 series equipment, the 300 series sets were gradually demoted to slower Hikari and Kodama services, and were completely withdrawn from Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen services by the start of the revised timetable on 17 March 2012. 1. 2. Contents. Design. Variants. Pre-series 300 to 9000 series set. Junior Central J sets formation. Interior. Junior West F sets, 300 to 3000 series, formation. Interior. History. Preserved examples. See also. References. External links. Design. The front-end styling of these units consisted of a curved wedge, replacing aircraft-style nose cones of previous Shinkansen trains. The furthest forward point was the very bottom of the pilot. They were painted brilliant white with a medium thick blue stripe beneath the windows. They were only formed as 16-car sets and had no restaurant cars, though they did originally feature 2 refreshment counters, later removed. Technically, they are notable for being the first Shinkansen sets to employ 3-phase AC traction motors instead of direct current units, as well as new bolsterless bogies to reduce weight. Height 4,440 mm, 14 feet 7 in. Doors 2 per side. Maximum speed 270 km /h, 167.8 miles per hour. Traction system 40x 300 kilowatts, 402 HP. Power output 12 MW, 16,092 HP. Acceleration 1.6 km /hs, 0.99 miles per hour /s. Electric system, S. 25 kV AC, 60 Hz. Overhead catenary current collector, S. Pantograph safety system, S. ATC1, ATC instruct gauge 1,435 mm, 4 feet 812 in, standard gauge. The 300 series was awarded the Laurel Prize in May 1993. 1. Variants. 300 to 9000 series, 16-car pre-series set. 300 to 0 series, 16-car J sets owned by Junior Central, introduced from March 1992. 300 to 3000 series, 16-car F sets owned by Junior West. Pre-series 300 to 9000 series set. Prototype set J1 near Hamamatsu Station on a test run in April 2003. The pre-series unit, J0, numbered in the 300 to 9000 series, was delivered on 8 March 1990, and underwent extensive testing and endurance running before the start of the new Nozomi services in March 1992. In the early hours of 1 March 1991, this set recorded a speed of 325.7 km per hour on the Kaide Shinkansen between Maibara and Kaito, a Japanese national speed record at the time. The set was modified to production standards in March 1993, becoming set J1, but it differed from the production units in a number of ways. Visually, the driving cab had a different windscreen design, different headlight arrangement, and flared side panels over the front bogies. The prototype set was initially fitted with 5 pantographs, but this was later reduced to 2 in line with modifications to the production fleet. Limited water tank capacity meant that the unit was not capable of ruining return trips from Tokyo to Hakata, and was normally restricted to Tokyo to Osaka/Okayama/Hiroshima workings. From 2001 onwards, this unit was converted for use as a junior central test train for testing new digital ATC equipment on the Tokaido Shinkansen. It was finally withdrawn in March 2007. All cars except one end car, 322-9001, were cut up. 3. Junior Central J sets. Junior Central Set J61 in February 201,160 16 car sets, excluding pre-series Set J1, operated by Central Japan Railway Company, Junior Central. These sets were delivered between February 1992 and October 1998. 4. In December 1998, Set J59 was fitted experimentally with new 700 series style single-arm pantographs and fairings to reduce noise and air resistance. Following testing, JR Central subsequently fitted new pantographs to all of its sets, with modifications completed by late 2002. In October 2004, Junior Central announced plans for ride improvement modifications to its 300 series fleet involving the addition of semi-active vibration control units to 7 cars out of the total of 16 in each set, end cars 1 and 16, pantograph cars 6 and 12, and green cars 8 to 10, and also new non-linear air suspension on all cars in each set. The new secondary suspension offered firmer support against lateral movement. The entire fleet operated by Junior Central received the modifications by February 2007. With the entry into service of new N700 series trains, withdrawals of production 300 series sets began in July 2007 with the withdrawal of set J14. The remaining fleet of Junior Central 300 series sets were removed from regular scheduled services from the 1st of February 2012. 5. And were completely withdrawn following the final runs on the 16th of March 2012. 2. Formation. The 16-car J sets were formed as follows, with car 1 at the Hakata end. 6. Car number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 designation M1 TPW M2 M1 WTP M2 KM1 SDP SM2 SM1 HTP M2 WM1 TPW SM2 C numbering 323325329. Cars 6 and 12 each had one single-arm pantograph. Interior. Junior Central, J-Set, Green Class Seating. Junior Central, J-Set, Green Class Seating. Junior Central, J-Set, Standard Class Seating. Junior Central, J-Set, Standard Class Sheeting. Junior West F sets, 300 to 3000 series. These were 16-car 300 series sets operated by West Japan Railway Company, Junior West. A total of 9 sets were delivered between December 1992 and September 1993. 4. Withdrawals of the Junior West F sets began in July 2011, with the withdrawal of set F5. 7. The last remaining sets were withdrawn by spring 2012 and replaced by 8 700 series C sets transferred from Junior Central. 1. Formation. The 16-car F sets were formed as follows, with car 1 at the Hakata end. 6. car number 12345678910111213141516 designation TK1 TPWM2 M1 WTPM2 KM1 SDP SM2 SM1 HTPM2 WM1 TPW SM2 C numbering 323300003. Cars 6 and 12 each had one single-arm pantograph. Interior. Green car, car 10, interior in September 2011. Green car, car 10, interior in September 2011. Junior West, F-set, green class seating. Junior West, F-set, green class seating. Junior West, F-set, standard class seating. Junior West, F-set, standard class sheeting. History. January 1988, development project commenced. The 8th of March 1990, pre-series 300 to 9000 series set, J0, was delivered. April 1990, test running started. October 1990, speed of 303.1 km per hour was recorded during test running. The 1st of March 1991, speed of 325.7 km per hour was recorded during test running. July 1991, endurance test running started. Continued until March 1992. February 1992, first production set, J2, was delivered. March 1992, entry into service on Tokaido Shinkansen Nozomi services running at a maximum speed of 270 km/h. June 1992, 300 to 9000 series set was tested on Sanyo Shinkansen. December 1992, first Junior West 300 to 3000 series, F, set was delivered. March 1993, hourly through Nozomi services were introduced between Tokyo and Hakata. The 10th of March 1993, pre-series set J0 was modified to full production standard and renumbered J1. May 1993, awarded the Laurel Prize in May 1993. April 1994, sets from J16 onward delivered with regular sliding doors in place of earlier plug doors. August 1995, sets from J30 onward delivered with 2 pantographs in place of the earlier 3. Modification started on earlier sets to reduce number of pantographs to 2. March 1996, maximum speed of Hikrai services was raised to 270 km per hour. October 1998, 300 series production ended. September 1999, modifications started, from set J9, to convert pantographs to single-arm type with shrouds resembling 700 series design. December 2001, 300 series removed from regularly scheduled Nozomi services. July 2007, first 300 series set, J14, was withdrawn from service. July 2011, first Junior West F set, F5, was withdrawn from service. The 16th of March 2012, the last remaining sets were withdrawn following their last runs. Source 1, 4, preserved examples. 322-9001, X prototype set J1, built 1990 by Hitachi, at the SC Magov and Railway Park, Nagoya, since March 2011. 8. 323-20, X set J21, built 1993 by Nippon Sheryo, formerly at the SC Magov and Railway Park, Nagoya, from March 2011, removed in December 2013. 8, 9. 323-45, X set J46, built 1997 by Kawasaki Heavy Industries, at the Shinkansen Service and Technology Company Limited, Osaka, from June 2010. Preserved Car 322-9001 of prototype set J1 at Hamamatsu Works in July 2000.